Yeah, let's fuck them all as well.
All right, guys, welcome back to Fueled by Florence, and today we have a really good one. We got one special lineup. We got a V10, we got a V8, and we got a V6. And we're doing a rev battle between all of them, and then we're gonna decide which one sounds better. We're all gonna decide which one sounds better. All right, guys, the little Jags up first. Jaguar F-Type, Supercharged V6.
Ready?
Yep.
Sounds like a V12 if I ever heard
Heck
one.
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
All right, we got the valves open. Ready?
Yep. This is the V8, Italian V8 on a Maserati GranTurismo. Oh! V10 Audi R8. He's nice and quiet right here.
You like that? Peyton, give them your best.
My menacing laugh.
Yeah, give. All right, guys. R8 Jag Maserati down there. We are gonna give them a long run down the strip and see which one sounds the best. Again, guys, V6, V8, V10, entirely different sounds. Two of them are naturally aspirated. One has a supercharger. So just things to take in, right, Peyton? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah.
But the Jaguar F-Type here is a V6 Supercharged. It has 328 horsepower. Obviously, that's not to the wheels, that's to the crank. So, for as small of a car as it is, it does get up and go. So, if you do get an opportunity to buy one of those, definitely do it if you're not looking for a V8. Anything crazy.
All right, guys, Peyton is gonna go rip the Jag. We're gonna show you what a supercharged V6 sound like. Yeehaw! Hit it! Oh, that crackle, like a wow! Jaguar.
And if you guys haven't seen our video on that, we put an X-pipe on the Maserati GranTurismo. So go to our channel and check that out. I think you guys will like that video. Some Maserati GranTurismo V8. V10 Audi R8. Got the Audi R8. Get you guys a sick angle.
Guys, honest to God, you will never find another better in-depth review between a European V10, V8, and V6. Ain't that right,
Matter of
baby?
fact, you ain't gonna find a better YouTube channel.
No, that's for damn sure.
Yeah.
Guys, we're getting pissed off. We're getting tired of this shit. We're getting tired. You know what? You know what? wait.
Oh.
Hit that like button! Damn, fucking hit it, Peyton.
Vince is being kind of lame. He's not pumping it up.
Pump it up!
Pump it up!